Brad Williams, Excel Prime, count cells over a specific target. Just a quick tutorial on COUNTIF as opposed to COUNTIFs. What's the difference? Count cells that meet a criteria. We're limited here. We're limited. We can set a criteria, and here it is, greater than 90, based on whatever our range is. Here we have a range, and then our criteria. Simple, simple, simple. All we're going to do is pick D5 to D10, D5 to D10, and then count. Visually, you can see the number greater than 90. Over here, review this. Play around with the COUNTIF. We can throw in wildcards. We can manipulate dates. We can add a sum. We can nest this COUNTIF. We can deal with blanks. It's a matter of how you incorporate your requirement. Here we have greater than. We can put less than or deal with blanks. Any combination. I'm not going to go over all these. Read this on your own. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Williams out.